wondering, what is this? This is the most powerful AI-based chatbot, ChatGPT. As I said, it is the most powerful AI-based chatbot developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. ChatGPT is trained on large dataset of text and is able to generate human-like text in variety of styles and formats. Is designed to perform human-like conversation. Please don't waste your time and energy comparing it with others. Use all as per your requirement. Do something better for humanity. So let me show you this practically. So let's first discuss GPT-3. Then we will discuss ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a variant of GPT-3. So in order to use it, you need an account with OpenAI. So you can sign up. Also, you can join with Gmail account. Let me show you this. So let's create account on OpenAI. So let me search on the Google ChatGPT. Let me click on this. So let me click on this first link. So here you can see this message introducing ChatGPT research release. So from here we can use ChatGPT. So that we will discuss shortly. So let's first discuss GPT-3. So let me click on this button API. So let me click on this button login. So as I said, if you don't have an account, you can sign up. Also you can join with Gmail account. So let me click on this button continue with Google. So here I am going to enter my Gmail. Let me press next button. So let me enter password. Let me click on this next button. So here you can enter first name and last name. Let me enter, and this is organization name, which is optional. So let me press this button continue. So here we have to verify our phone number. So I am going to enter my mobile number. So let me press this button send code via SMS. Also you can click this button send via WhatsApp. So I am going to click this button send code via SMS. So here we have to enter 6-digit number send via SMS. Here you can see this message. So how will you primarily use OpenAI? Let me click on this. You can select any. Let me click on this. As you can see here, we are on beta.openai.com. So from here, we can use GPT-3. So as you can see here, documentation is given. You can read it for better understanding. Here different examples are given that you can see over here. There are many examples that you can perform using GPT-3 like Q&A, grammar correction, text summarization, natural language to OpenAI API, text to command, English to other languages, and many more that you can see over here. So as per your requirement, you can learn from these examples given over here. So let me show you some of this. So let me click on this playground button. So as you can see, this is GPT-3 playground. So from here, you can ask different questions to GPT-3. So here you can see AI models that they have trained and particular model strength are given. So as per your requirement, you can select algorithms from here. So here next setting after model is temperature. Please remember temperature means randomness. So using temperature, we can control randomness in our answer. Temperature 0 means 0 randomness. Temperature 1 means maximum randomness. So we can set temperature to 0 if we expect exactly one answer. So if we want randomness in our answer, we can set temperature between 0.1 to 1. Maximum is 1. So as per your questions, you can set this randomness. So for example, let me write one question. Suppose who won the IPL in 2008? So here we expecting only one answer, right? So here we can set temperature to 0. Let me click on this button submit. You can see here. So this way we can use temperature. So sometimes randomness is necessary in answer. For example, like in story writing, in idea generation, etc. So we can set this temperature to 1. So we want maximum randomness in answer. Let me show you this. So for that, let me write one question. Write an intro for my gaming YouTube channel. So here randomness is necessary. We expecting different answers. So we can select the best one. Let me click on this button. As you can see here, let me copy this question and let me paste it over here. And let me click once again this button submit. You can see here different answer because here we have set this temperature to 1. We want maximum randomness. So here from these different paragraphs, you can select best one. So this way we can use temperature. So please remember temperature means randomness that you are expecting in the answers that you can see over here. So this way we can use temperature. So now here next setting after temperature is maximum length. So we can set maximum length from here like this. So please remember. So if you are searching for some essay, this is the best option. Let me show you this. Suppose write an essay for AI words 2000. You can see here. Now let me press this button submit. You can see here essay for AI words 2000 that you can see over here. So this way we can use this maximum length setting for essay writing like this. Hope all of you are clear with this. So how to use model, how to use temperature and maximum length settings. that you can see over here. This temperature and top P both are associated with randomness. Keep other settings as it is. So let's discuss this last settings. So probabilities. So let me ask, write the name of my favorite animal. Let me press this button. Here you can see output is dog. Let me check probability of this answer. So for that, let me select it to this most likely. Let me copy this question and let me paste it over here. Let me click this button, submit. So as you can see here, probability of this answer dog. Next probability after dog is cat, that you can see over here. So by this setting, we can check probability of the answer that you can see over here. So this way we can use GPT-3. Please explore different examples given over here. So before we discuss ChatGPT, I want to show you something. So here you can see different examples. So in these different examples, different settings are given. So as per your question, you can follow these different settings which are already provided with different types of questions that you can see over here. And one thing I forgot to tell you is that typically a temperature between 0.70 to 0.90 is the most common for creative answer. Please remember this. So now let's discuss ChatGPT. Let me click on this button, login. So let me press continue with Google and with same ID that I've used earlier. As you can see here, this is a free research preview. So please read these instructions once. I am skipping this. Here you can see ChatGPT. So as I said, ChatGPT is the most powerful AI-based chatbot that you can see over here. So ChatGPT is a variant of GPT-3. ChatGPT has much more use cases than GPT-3, and this ChatGPT is designed like conversational model, and ChatGPT can also remember the questions. So in this cell, you can write any question. So let me write one question, data science interview questions. You can press this button or also you can press enter key like this. Here you can see answer from ChatGPT that you can see over here. So if you like this answer, you can press this like button. So model can consider this is the best answer in the future. Here you can see, as I said, ChatGPT can remember the questions that you can see over here. Now let me write another question. Python program for factorial without recursion. Let me press enter. You can see here factorial of a particular number without recursion that you can see over here. Same I want with recursion. So let me copy this question and let me paste it over here. Let me remove this out. Let me press enter. You can see here answer from ChatGPT. We can copy this code and we can use it. Let me write another question. I want pizza recipe. You can see here. Here you can see it is showing ingredients and instructions as well for pizza that you can see over here. So let me write another question. Who won the IPL in 2008? You can see here. So as you can see here, ChatGPT giving answer with excellent explanation that you can see over here. So this way you can use ChatGPT that you can see over here. ChatGPT is very powerful that you can see over here. So for now, this ChatGPT is completely free, but I don't know about the future. So this way you can use GPT-3 and ChatGPT as per your requirement. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you like this video, smash that like button. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.